Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Monopoly and welcome to the Metaverse. Now, I know in the last video I said I was going to talk about the three kind of like Metaverse gaming projects, which would be the Sandbox, Blanco's Block Party, and Axie Infinity. However, I'm still working on that because the thing is I don't want to like educate you guys on a game in which I'm not a professional or even like average knowledge of. So I'd rather just play the games for like a week just so I can get a good sense of idea and understand how kind of the game works, and then put out a video explaining the concepts of the game and seeing if you guys would like it or not. But one also thing I also wanted to do every single week is actually do kind of like a weekly wrap up, whether that being what is the past news of the current crypto market, any new purchases of NFTs or NFT projects that have happened, or any Metaverse, whatever. We're gonna start off with the cryptocurrency market today, and oh my god, market is not looking good today, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, Bitcoin is currently at 41,000. It touched, I believe, like 40. Fear and Greed Index was like at a 10, I think. I told you guys we were in a bear market. Game over. But where do you see a reversal? Where do you see a reversal? Where do you see a reversal? Oh my god. Where do you see her? Hey man, maybe this might happen again. I don't know. I'm still holding. If anything, I kind of did some dip buys, which I will actually talk about right now. Like I got some Solana. Not financial advice. I also got some Axie Infinity. Not financial advice. I also bought some Decentraland. Not financial advice. And then everybody's favorite coin, I got some Shiba Inu. I had Shiba Inu in the past, and then I sold it. I bought some like here. And I sold it like, kind of like right here, I think. Not financial advice. And then obviously I got some sand. No, actually I did not. I was trying to buy sand. For some reason I couldn't. Like I kept getting so many network. Like I was able to buy all these other coins, but sand was just too complicated today. I don't know why. I bought some more Cardano, specifically because I wanted to get first NFT for this channel, Lazy Llamas, which by the way, if you're not following me on Twitter already, make sure, which you're not, because I only got 2 followers. Like, come on guys. Like, I'll be posting any NFT purchases or maybe coin purchases, I'm not sure about that, but NFT purchases for sure before I post a YouTube video, because it takes a while to edit these guys. It's like, I'm a one-man team, okay? Give me a break. Remember, this is the right one. Either way, I'll put it in the link in the description down below. I actually wanted to buy Boss, I believe it's called Boss Cats, and it pissed me off because I was going to purchase one and I was like, you know what, I'll get it Friday. So the floor price when I initially wanted to purchase this was 200 ADA, and I still want to get one. I really want to get one. I'm looking at like kind of like these two, but like once again, dude, this I can't afford this, man. I'm a college student, and then after buying all these coins, dude, no. I can't afford this. The creator, and he kind of has like the same vision for this one, where, you know, like in-person events, exclusive, and it's a Cardano project specifically that mimics the Bored Yacht Club, and you know, we already know how those are going. We will have to settle for something cheaper, like Lazy Llamas, which is kind of like the second best in my opinion. Not financial advice, because there's another one that's called like, I think it's called like Chilled Kong, something like that. This one's cool because llamas, they have like serums and stuff like that. In-person events, they're gonna buy land on Sandbox, which is really cool. But I bought Cardano. For some reason, can't send it to my wallet. It's like 214, and this one I am specifically looking at. I'll post this video regardless, whether I can buy it or not. And this is their Twitter right here. They're literally under 10k followers, so you know this is pretty early in my opinion. This is one that I will be purchasing. I will be purchasing maybe like 1 or 2. That's basically it for today's video. For the next video, I'll for sure put in the first video will be Blanco's Block Party, because I've been playing that for the past week. And I think I'm pretty good at it. So you're going to see some gameplay of that. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give a video big old thumbs up. And make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share with all your friends. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.